We hope that you caught our last video where we did a full tour of the TRS Turquesa resort. Now we are so excited to show you our suite here at the TRS Turquesa. We're gonna start with this little entryway here. There is a shelf here where you can put your food if you order room service. These rooms come with all of these types of suites that we're in right now come with a butler, which was a surprise to me. I didn't know that, but you get a butler with your room that will handle any dinner reservations that you need or any reservations at the restaurants. They will also handle if you need room service or if you're just needing anything for your room, they are at your service. Also, as standard with all-inclusive resorts, you get a minibar, and our minibar comes with beers, sodas, water, and you also get snacks as well, which is really nice. You get American snacks, or we got Snickers here, we got juices, we have even some Lay's potato chips here. So we are all set. And again, with that butler, if you want to refresh any of those items, all you got to do is call up your butler and they'll provide that for you. Also in this area, we have the closet. And the closet comes with these very nice, very luxurious robes and slippers. You get 2 sets of those. You also get a steamer, which I was really excited about. So I did read up about that before coming, so I was really happy that I didn't have to bring my travel steamer with me. That was one less thing that I had to pack, so they already provide that. You also get a safe if you need to lock up anything, and it also comes with a scale as well if you want to keep track of your weight, if you do that on vacation. The bathroom area was surprisingly really big. So you get a separate toilet area. So if you want some privacy, you have a door there that you can close. You also get this really large sink area that comes with 2 sinks. So you don't have to share or fight over a sink. You get one for each of you. They also provide some toiletries here for you as well. And they also have a note here that if you forgot anything, you can just call up your butler and they will provide that for you. You also get this humongous shower here that's, I don't know, it's big enough for a party in here. It's huge. There's a rain shower head in here as well. And then you also get some toiletries here too, like your shower gel and your shampoo and your conditioner. When we first walked into this room, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so big, it's so huge. Like the pictures online just do not do it justice. It's large. So you get, of course, big king size bed. I love this canopy style bed. Like I really feel like, I don't know, it feels romantic. I know this is the romance swim up suite and it definitely exudes all of that. And then next to the bed on each side, you get some controls here for the fan and for the lights. So if you forget to turn off the lights at the end of the day or at the end of the night, you don't have to get out of bed to do that. Or if you need to turn on the fan, you can do all of that right there from your bed. You also get a desk area here that comes with a Nespresso. So this suite actually has the Nespresso, but it also has the coffee maker as well in that closet area. So you have 2 options there for your caffeine. There's a seating area here, and they also gave us a really nice welcome gift. We got a bottle of champagne, we got some fresh fruit as well, and we are looking forward to taking advantage of all of that. There's also an extra little seating area at the end of the bed as well. And then, super nice feature, you get this huge jacuzzi tub as well, right in the bedroom. And this is big too. Like this is definitely more than enough space for 2 people. Also in the jacuzzi area, you get some more toiletries. You get shower gel, you got your shampoo and your conditioner in this area as well. And then, of course, you gotta have an outside space. You get this really large patio, and we got so lucky. Somehow we ended up with this nice corner room. I think maybe the romance suites are all corner rooms, so you get this really big patio, and you get this whole end of the section of the building to yourself. So you have a seating area here outside on the patio. You also get this drying rack, which is really nice for those wet swimsuits and wet towels. And then the prize of this suite, the whole entire reason that we booked this suite, is you get a pool. You get your own little section of a pool. So all of these swim up suites are connected to this one really long pool. But with the romance suite, since you're in the corner, you have this own little section, this whole section of the end of the pool all to yourselves. You also get some loungers in the water as well, where you can just sort of sit out and enjoy. The water is so nice. It's not cold at all. It's nice temperature. It's not very deep. It's about 4 feet deep as well. And you get to, every time that you step outside, just walk out to this amazing view, go straight from your room right into the pool. It does not get better than that. So that wraps up the tour. We hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as we are enjoying this amazing room. We feel like this is just, we got such a great value here in this room. We've stayed in a lot of all-inclusive resorts. We've actually stayed in several Grand Palladiums. This is our very first time at the TRS, but we are just blown away by the value that we're getting here. We booked our room really early, and then we rebooked it again, and we rebooked it again because we kept noticing that the prices were going down and going down and going down, and we found that the best time to book the room was actually on Black Friday. I mean, you shop everything else on Black Friday. Why not shop for your vacation? So we got the best deal actually booking it on Black Friday. So if you're planning a trip for the summertime, just keep that in mind. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that thumbs up, give us a like. Also subscribe so that you don't miss other great resort tours just like this one, other great room tours as well. Also hit that notification button so that you will get notifications and be on alert when we drop the next one. We'll see you guys later. I'm just shitting hair everywhere. Okay. It's a whole big old dragonfly. You want me to mic check? Testing. Just like this one. And wait, like, subscribe. That's a blooper.